I'm going to test the idea that a pedestal fan can be used as a garden tool. I hate clickbait, so the answer is technically yes, but probably don't. Because the internet is international, I'll start by letting you know this line trimmer, strimmer, brush cutter, weed whacker, mortal zenza is going to be called a whippersnipper in this video. So it's a pretty simple issue really. This is the price of a whippersnipper, and this is the price of a pedestal fan. And aren't they really just the same thing? We're about to find out. The first question you might ask is, what are the spinning speeds or RPM of these two items? What do I look like, a revolutionometrist? Okay, but how about the wattage and torque of the motors? Again, who do you think I am? Sherlock Holmes? I don't know anything about electrolytes or electrolysis or whatever makes these things spin. I even took a spin class, but it was just very tiring and it got me nowhere. So anyway, I took off the fan's protective cage thing. So yeah, straight to it. Let's try to cut some grass. As you can see, the fan blades blow the grass away, so that kind of makes it hard to cut it. But I'm not giving up yet. I'll just replace the fan blades with something I can find nearby. And that something is going to be a hacksaw blade. I figure blades like to cut. Just need to drill a hole in the middle. Oops. Hole needs to be a little big. Oops. Okay, ready? Let's assume I'm wearing safety protection here. So there it is. The question we've all been pondering is finally answered.